Hi, hello. Welcome to the second part of the chapter Understanding Shapes in the Geometry. So, in the first part, we learned the definition of polygon and solving some problems on some of the interior angles of polygons and also exterior angles of polygon. In today's class, we are discussing about the regular polygon. What is the difference between regular polygon and polygon? So regular polygon means if all the sides are all interior angles are equal, exterior angles are also equal. C, sides are equal. So regular polygon means what? Means so all the sides are equal. Second, all interior angles are equal, all exterior angles are equal, sides length are also equal. If normally we are saying in that polygons number of sides lengths are equal, interior angles are equal, exterior angles are equal. What is the special we have to find out in this regular polygon? In normal polygon means interior angles are different and exterior angles are different, length of the sides are also different. Here in case of regular polygon all are in equal. So that's why if polygon satisfy these three conditions, then we can easily say these polygons are regular polygon. In this one also we are finding, we know that what is the sum of interior angles? Sum of interior angles are same formula, 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. So if you want to find each interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 90 degree divided by number of sides. In a regular polygon, if you want to find each interior angle, so you can use this formula 2n minus 4 into 90 degree divided by n. By using this formula, we can easily find out the each interior angle of a regular polygon. So, if you want to find each exterior angle, same 360 degree by n. So normally we are using some of the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. In case of regular polygon, you have to find each interior angle, means it should be divided by 360 divided by number of sides, then you will get the easily each interior angle of the polygon. So if I am consider one polygon means, so if we extend one side of polygon, any side you can extend. So it creates an exterior angle. That means the angle outside the polygon. So if you add interior angle and exterior angle of the polygon at a given vertex, interior sum of interior plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree, because these exterior angles and interior angles both are on the same straight line at the point of vertex. If you add angles, interior angles and exterior angles, you will get sum must be equal to 180 degree. So learn these formulas, very important, and today's session we are going to discuss more problems on this formula. In that first one, they are given in exercise 16b. First question, find each exterior angle and each interior angle of a regular polygon. So look at here. So find each exterior angle and each interior of a regular polygon if number of sides is 8. So regular polygon means what? All interior angles are equal, all exterior angles are equal. So if you want to find each exterior angle, what is the formula? 360 divided by n. If you want to find each exterior angle means 360 degree divided by n. Here number of sides they are given 8. That is 360 degree divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 fours are. That is 360 degree divided by 4 So each exterior angle so you can cancel by 2 or 4. 4 twos are 4 nines are 4 nines are. So what you will get? 90 degree divided by 2. 245 are. So what is the each exterior angle of a polygon? 45 degree. So if they are given number of sides means if you want to find exterior angle and each interior angle of a polygon is, so each exterior angle of a polygon is 360 divided by n is the formula. 360 divided by number of sides they are given 8. 4 twos are 8, 4 nines are, that is 90 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4, 1 is remaining, 2 fives are, that is 45 degree. What is the each exterior angle of a regular polygon? That is 45 degree. If you want to find each interior angle, that is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree divided by n. So here n value we know. What is that? 8. 2 into 8 minus 4 90 degree divided by 8. 2 8s are 16. 4 90 divided by 8. So if you want to find what is 16 minus 4? 12. 90 divided by 8. You can cancel. 2 4s are 8. And here you can cancel by 2 45s are. 4 1s are 4 3s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 1 3 4s are 12. What is each interior angle of a polygon? That is each interior angle of a polygon is 135 degree. You can easily solve like this type of questions. So in the second problem, find the number of sides each interior angle of a regular polygon if they are given exterior angle is equal to 72 degree. So each exterior angle they are given. First you have to find number of sides. Number of sides of a regular polygon you have to find out 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. So you know that the formula each exterior angle is equal to 360 by n. So n will shift here, each exterior angles comes here because of you have to find number of sides. 360 by 72 means if you divide these two, you will get number of sides is equal to 5. So after finding number of sides, you have to find each exterior angle. So each exterior angle formula is 2n minus 4 90 degree divided by n. So that means 5 is the number of sides. You can substitute n value 5. 2 5s are 10. 4 90 divided by n value is 5 because we already find out n value is 5 here. So 6 10 4 will go means 6 90 by 5 5 ones are 5 18s are. So 18 6 are how much? 108. We find easily exterior angle of a polygon. So here in this case what they are given, find the number of sides and each exterior angle they are given, each interior angle they are given. So in the first case they are given number of sides. In this case they are given each exterior angle. In this case they are given each interior angle. So each interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 90 degree by n. Each interior angle is equal to 150. Formula is there. You can substitute. So you can cross multiply n into 150 150n, 90 into 2n 190n minus 94 is 360. 150 you can shift to that side, minus 360 comes this side. 180 150 will go means 30n, minus 360 will become plus 360. n is equal to 360 divided by 30. 0 0 cancel, 3 ones are 3 twos are. What is the number of sides? 12. If you know number of sides means you can easily find out each exterior angle of a regular polygon. That is 360 by n. 360 by 12. 12 ones are 12 threes are 36. 0 will come. So what is the each exterior angle? 30 degree. Next problem. Find the number of sides in a regular polygon if its interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. So, interior angle is equal to exterior angle. So, we have to find number of sides. What is the formula for finding interior angle? 2n minus 4 90 degree. Exterior angle sum 360 degree. Multiply 90 into 2 180 n. 94 is 360 360 180 n. 360 degree you can shift to that side, plus 360 degree. Next 180 n is equal to 360 plus 360 720. n is equal to 720 divided by 180. 0 0 get cancelled, 18 ones are 18 fours are. What is the value of n here? 4. If interior angle is equal to exterior angle, what is the number of sides value? 4. Just we have to apply the formula, simplify the answer. Next one. The ratio between interior angle and exterior angle of a regular polygon is 2:1. 2:1. Find each exterior angle and number of sides. So they are given the ratio between interior angle and exterior angle. So interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to how much? 180 degree. I show in the beginning part of this class. So if you take one polygon means one external means external angle and interior angle is 180 degree. They are given the 2 ratio, 2:1. So that is interior angle is 2x plus exterior angle is 1. X is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 3x, 2x plus x, 3x, 180. X is equal to 180 degree by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are 0 will come. What is x value? 60 degree. X means what? Ratio of exterior angle. So that means each exterior angle is equal to 60 degree. Next, what we have to find out? Number of sides. Number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. That is 360 divided by 60. 0 0 get cancelled. 6. What is the number of sides here? 6. So we can easily solve like this problems. So in the next problem, 3 of the exterior angles of a hexagon are 40 degree plus 51 and 86 degree if each of the remaining exterior angle is x. Find x value. Find the x value. So 3 angles of exterior angle they are given. So sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Formula. Sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. In that hexagon means 6 angles are there. They are given 3 angles here. 40 plus 51 plus 86. Remaining angles they are given. Remaining. Out of 6 they are given 3. Remaining angles are x. That is remaining 3 angles are equal to x. Is equal to 360 degree. We have to find the value of x here. So 40 plus 51, 91. 91 plus 86. So you will get 183. Plus x plus x plus x, 3x, 360 degree. Sorry, this is 177. If you add, you will get 177. 3x 360 degree minus 177 because plus 177 go to that side, minus 177. So you will get 183. So x value is equal to 183 divided by 3 6 3 1. What is the remaining angles of the hexagon? That is 61 degree. So like this we are going to solve the problem. In today's class we will learn the meaning of regular polygon and how to find each exterior angle, how to find each interior angle, and the sum of interior angle and exterior angles of the point of vertex of a polygon is equal to 180 degree. Based on this we solve the problems.